Oh my God. Chester, look at that problem. It is so long. It looks like one of those calculus free responses. But, you know, who understands those tests? Teachers only assign these because they're totally confusing. Okay? I mean, that problem. It's just so hard. I can't believe it's just so tedious. It's like ridiculous. I mean, look, it's just so hard.
I like math 9 and I cannot lie. So what if I can't derive? But when a problem's tough and you can't keep pace and a shortcut's in your face, you say,
I'm done. Can't find this stuff because you know the problem is hard. Stuck in a question I'm trying. I'm lost but I can't stop staring.
Oh, DY, I want to get with ya, but I don't know how. My classmates tried to warn me, saying math 9 makes me so phony.
oh, Mrs. Ader, you say you want me to find the max? Well, go left and go right, then take your best guess.
I've seen that shortcut. The hell with product and chain rule. I've gotten me all thinking I'm a fool.
I'm tired of U and V, saying find DY's not tame, or take the average slope but asking for an integral, and you must be whack.
So, fellas.
Yeah.
Fellas.
Yeah.
Has your problem got you stumped?
Hell yeah.
Tell them math 9.
Math 9.
Math 9.
Math 9.
Push that useful button.
We just did calc.
Get integrals the easy method. We just did calc. Get integrals the easy method. We just did calc. I like to be real and honest. And when I'm taking a test, I don't want to cheat or be acting like an animal. But here's my scandal.
I want to use a calculator, but no, can't do that. No. I ain't talking about copying. I'm using calculators just for boys.
I want a 5 on my test. Gotta learn calc on the double, or I'll be in trouble. Sorry for bursting your bubble.
So I'm looking at textbooks, but its problems just out of my woes. I feel like a bimbo. I see a test and I'm like, oh no.
A word to my textbook. I'm about to annoy ya. Textbook's about to hit ya.
But I gotta be straight when I say I'm gonna study to the break of dawn, so I get what's going on.
A lot of wimps don't like this song, cause them punks take this class, then quit it. And I'd rather stay and learn.
But it's long, but I'm strong, and I'm down to get the learning on.
So fellas, fellas,
Yeah.
you wanna ace this test?
Yeah.
Buckle down, study up.
Even Chester's got to shout.
We just did calc.
We just did calc.
Yeah, baby. When it comes to 5s, calculus ain't got nothing to stop me. 45 out of 45? Haha. Only if you study like me.
So you gotta find a limit. Playing with the calculator's too timid, but finding by looking left and right ain't timid. And when it comes to credit, you don't get none unless you show your work done.
You can use math 8 or 9, but please just show that work. So now when I play that chain rule, I'll tell you how to take note and board.
First derive the trig function, and then derive the inside function. Finish by multiplying. It's easy, so don't be whining.
Cause the terms are small and the problem's easy. Now I'm thinking about learning. The limit bounds the integral, they ain't hard, miss thing.
Give me a constant, don't add C on it. Interval on the right and left aren't missing. So knucklehead just might miss it because the bounds are off the list.
He a game, but he chose to skip it. But the integrate must have bounds.
So fellas, if the grades are down and you need to turn that around, dial 1-800-STUDY-LOT and kick them nasty grades. We just did calc.
We just did calc.
Mark me in the middle, but we just did calc.
We just did calc? We did calc, guys.